Hello everyone. So today's topic is on why do you require a dietitian? Um, the answer is very simple. You go to a doctor for your minor problems like headache, fever, or any big problems. You visit a professional doctor for treating your problems. And if you want to do some yoga, you're going to learn yoga from a proper yoga trainer. So same way, if you have any problem with the eating pattern, you have a problem with losing weight, you need to visit a professional, no, a dietitian. But all the time, unfortunately, it does not happen. People always know, like see the dietetic field or see nutrition for granted. Everybody talks about nutrition, and we are overloaded with a lot of information on nutrition on our social media pages, WhatsApp, Instagram. No, even the family members used to advise us and pour a lot of ideas on nutrition and how to maintain a healthy lifestyle using your diet. But many times if you see the information which is roaming around in the social media pages will not always be reliable. Sometimes you might end up making some the changes which is not really gonna help you, and might also cause some adverse effects. So try not to just follow the enthusiast or the fitness enthusiast who don't really hold a graduation in dietetics but still advising on diets, nutrition, and helping for weight loss, etc., etc. Don't just get trapped in such things. No, that they, just because they show results, it doesn't mean they are providing you with a good balanced nutritious meal plan. Many times it is deprived. If you could have heard all the diets recently been practiced by many people, like keto diet or intermittent fasting or the high protein diet or the high fat diet, etc., etc., low carb diet. So all these are deprived in some of the nutrients, or no, the macronutrients are sometimes not present, or it is very no, like it's not sufficient for your needs. Many times it will be like deprived of many good nutrients. But whereas when you go and meet a dietitian, they are going to help you to bring up a good diet plan according to your needs. It is going to be customized, related to your culture, related to the food choices you have been making all these years. So keeping all these in mind, your economical status, your like your affordability, everything will be taken into account, and then will be given a diet plan which is very much doable and practically also applicable. Then you can do this or stick to the diet plan for extended period of time or for the entire lifetime. It's not going to be for some particular period of time, and then the diet is no more, and again the result also will be no more. So the diet plan or the advices given by the dietitian is going to help you for bringing a good lifestyle changes which is going to stick on to your practice for a longer time. It's going to sustain for a longer time, and not just for weight loss. Many people think dietitians are meant only for people who wanted to lose weight, but it is also for treating many kind of disease like diabetes, CVD, cardiovascular, kidney related disorders, the arthritis, etc., etc. We plan diets related to disease condition also. So you, similar to you take some pill for no fever, that is different from the pill you take for your heart problems, you take for your diabetes. Similarly, you have different diet plans, different the diet tips which is gonna be given related to diet from a dietitian. So it is always best to directly go to a dietitian if you're having consistent problem with the dieting and with the problem of with the problem for losing weight, or you have problem in putting on weight, maintaining a healthy weight. All these you need to go and get a help from a professional dietitian. If you really wanted to invest money for your health, then visit a dietitian for correcting your diet which you are already following, which is not actually helping you for making you healthy and fitter. So yeah, thank you.